popping up. Saying, we gon' get it together right now. Gonna get it together somehow. Gonna get it together and fly. Oh, we gon' get it together right now. Gonna get it together and flow. Gonna get it together and go.
Wow!
Lying in the gutter, aiming for the moon. Trying to empty out the ocean with a spoon. Up and up, up and up. How come people suffer? How come people part? How come people struggle? How come people break your heart? Break your heart. Oh, yes, I wanna grow. Yes, I wanna feel. Yes, I wanna know. Show me how to heal it up. Heal it up. Oh, you see the fire staring every seed. Angels in the marble waiting to be free. Just need love. Just need love. When the going is right, so we gon' get it together right now. Gonna get it together somehow. Gonna get it together and fly. Oh, we gon' get it together right now. Gonna get it together and flow. Gonna get it together and go.
Out of is here to stay, di ba, Direct Mike? Huwag na kayo maniwala dun sa mga, baka may mga sumusubok magsabi na hindi, ipa-partner sa iba. Huwag kayo maniwala.
Sandali, sa wedding na lang.
We gon' get it together right now. Gonna get it together somehow. Gonna get it together and fly. Oh, we gon' get it together right now. Gonna get it together and flow. Gonna get it together and go. Up and up and up.
Hindi po namin inakala na after a year, nandyan pa rin kayo. So, salamat po sa time. Sa lahat po ng nag-invest ng oras, panahon, pagod, luha, dito para mabuo tong Aldab Nation Fest. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po na nandito ngayon. Wala po kaming masabi pa. Ang sarap balikan ng mga nakaraan, no? So, habang nandyan po kayo, patuloy lang po tayo sa paggawa ng mga magagandang memories. Siyempre, kasama nyo kami doon, Alden and Maine. Thank you po. Maraming salamat.
At kung ano man ang mangyari sa Aldab Nation, years from now, sana yung pagsasamahan niyo po, yung relationship na nabuo po sa inyo, dahil nagkakilala po kayo lahat dahil sa amin, sana po i-treasure niyo po yun at sana i-keep niyo po kahit ano pong mangyari. Yun lang.